You use it to unlock your phone, access your bank account, and maybe even enter your office. We've been told for decades that our fingerprints are the ultimate unhackable security key because no two people on Earth share the same patterns. But what if I told you that a simple piece of wood glue, a high-resolution photo, or even an AI-generated MasterPrint could bypass the security on your most private devices? Today, we are diving into the high-tech world of biometric hacking to answer the question, can your fingerprint actually be faked? For over a century, fingerprinting has been the gold standard for identification. The ridges and valleys on your fingertips are formed before you are even born and remain unique throughout your life. Because of this, we trust biometric sensors more than passwords. However, as technology has advanced, so have the methods to trick these systems. The short answer is yes, fingerprints can be faked, and it's surprisingly easier than you might think. The most basic way researchers have bypassed fingerprint scanners is through spoofing. This involves creating a physical replica of a finger. In famous experiments, cybersecurity experts have used high-resolution photos of a person as hand, sometimes taken from several meters away, to recreate their fingerprint. By printing that image onto a specialized surface and using materials like gelatin, silicone, or even simple whitewood glue, they can create a gummy finger. When pressed against a capacitive scanner, like the one on older smartphones, the sensor is often fooled into thinking it's a real human finger. But it doesn't stop at physical replicas. As our phone sensors moved from capacitive to ultrasonic and optical, hackers moved to the digital realm. Researchers have successfully used 3D printers to create incredibly precise molds of fingerprints. In 2020, security researchers showed that they could defeat 80% of smartphones using a 3D printed mold created from a digital scan. Perhaps the most alarming development is the rise of MasterPrints. Just like a master key can open many different locks, researchers have developed AI-generated fingerprint patterns that share enough common features with a large percentage of the population. Because many scanners only read a small portion of your finger at a time to save speed, an AI-designed MasterPrint can sometimes trick a sensor into seeing a match, even if it is not yours. However, before you throw your smartphone away, there is good news. Security companies are constantly fighting back. Modern high-end devices now use Liveness Detection. This technology looks for more than just the pattern of the ridges. It checks for blood flow, skin perspiration, and even the electrical conductivity of a living human body. These sensors can tell the difference between a piece of silicone and a warm, living finger. So is biometric security dead? Not at all. While fingerprints can be faked in a laboratory setting or by highly skilled hackers with physical access to your device, they are still much safer than using 123456 as a password. The real danger comes when we rely only on biometrics. Experts recommend using a combination, biometrics for convenience, but a strong, unique passcode for high-security actions. The science of our identity is incredible, but in a world of AI and 3D printing, we must remember that no lock is truly unpickable. The key is to stay one step ahead of the technology. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the world of digital security. If you found this information eye-opening, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends to keep them informed. What do you think? Are you still confident in your phone's fingerprint scanner? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow for more fascinating tech and history facts. Thanks for being here.